Well, the tension between the United States and Iran is already boiling. Warships are moving, missile systems are being activated, diplomatic talks are hanging by a fragile thread. But now a new twist is making the situation far more dangerous. Russia is being pulled into the conversation, and reports emerging from defense circles. They are triggering one chilling question. Is Moscow quietly stepping into the US Iran standoff? Well, let's talk about the rumors that are shaking the military watchers. According to defense analysts and tracking groups, unusual military linked cargo movements are being monitored. Flights, ships, strategic transfers, all pointing towards one destination: Tehran. These reports suggest that Russia may be, just maybe, sharing advanced military technology with Iran. And at the center of these whispers is a mystery name: Oreshnik, a weapon system many experts described as highly advanced, extremely difficult to track, and designed to change battlefield calculation. You know why this weapon is triggering panic? Military experts believe that if such technology it reaches Iran, it could dramatically increase Tehran's ability to target the high-value naval assets, including the American aircraft carrier. Warships like USS Abraham Lincoln represent floating military cities. They carry fighter jets, missile defense systems, and thousands of personnel as well. In fact, they are the symbol of American power projection. And here, any weapon capable of threatening them instantly changes global security calculation. Basically, there is a growing Russia-Iran military partnership that is threatening the US right now. This is not happening in isolation. Over the past few years also, Moscow and Tehran have been strengthening their military cooperation. Intelligence sharing, weapons technology exchange, joint strategic planning. In fact, both the nations share a very complicated relationship with the West, right? And both of them, they are facing heavy sanctions and political pressure as well. Now, analysts fear that this partnership could enter a more dangerous phase now. In fact, what makes this moment so volatile is that the US and Iran, they are already locked in a multiple dispute. There is not one. Nuclear negotiations remain fragile. Regional proxy conflicts continue to simmer. Naval confrontations in sensitive waters are increasing. And if Russia is indeed stepping in with advanced weapons support, this particular conflict may stop being a two-player standoff. It could become transforming into a multi-power global flashpoint. There is a silent war that is happening at the sea, ladies and gentlemen. Naval movements across the Middle East, they are being closely watched. In fact, American carrier strike groups, they continue to patrol the operation. Iranian naval forces are increasing their presence near strategic shipping routes, and intelligence agencies are scanning every unusual cargo shipment. Because in modern warfare, sometimes battles begin long before the first missile is fired. They begin with positioning. In fact, they begin with preparation. They begin with quiet strategic move that only satellites and analysts can see.